If your pipeline is missing in Pipedrive, yeah, that can be confusing, especially when you rely on it daily. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step fix to get it back. First, check the pipeline dropdown at the top. Sometimes the pipeline isn't missing, it's just not selected. Next, check your user permissions. If you don't have access to a pipeline, it won't show up at all. Now check if the pipeline was hidden or deleted. Sometimes it gets removed accidentally by another user or admin. Also, check your filters or custom views. Certain filters can hide pipelines or make them appear empty. Try refreshing the page or logging out and back in. Yeah, sometimes it's just a temporary sync issue. If it's still missing, contact your account admin or support. They can restore access or recover deleted pipelines. And that's it. These steps should help you recover a missing pipeline in Pipedrive. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.